Jimmy told me you had a little one.
Use more than yours.
Yeah, you have 5 kids.
So? Twice more than yours. And you're 50.
Hey. Hi, girls. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter. I'm going to get you to say Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter.
You say to her, say Happy Easter.
Jenna, say Happy Easter. You little. Say Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Whoa, round and round we go. Happy Easter, Happy Easter, Happy Easter, Happy Easter, Happy Easter.
Finally, Colin's parents just fell down.
Yeesh.
See? You trying to pull him.
Hey, all right, we got it. No, bust. Nope. Come on. Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay, Farley.
Dylan picks it up, throws it out there. It's a little
Do
good.
a secret sequel.
Oh, you want to play Ring Around the Rosie? Come on, let's play Ring Around the Rosie.
I do.
Play Ring Around the Rosie?
Boy.
Come on.
No, you can't play hide and seek yet.
You want to play?
Do hide and seek. Ring around the rosy.
Ready? Ring around the Rosie. Pocket full
Come on, Morgs. Dylan, you gotta hold hands.
Jenna.
ashes. No fall down.
Hey, good one. Nice job, Aaron. Taking control.
All right.
Come on, next round. Dylan, you gotta hold hands.
Come on, let's hold hands. Jenna, come on, let's hold hands. Go ahead.
Jenna, you playing?
What's your name? Okay, you want to hold Dylan's hand? Okay, come on. Ready? Ring around the rosy, pocket full of gold.
Jenna.
Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Hey! She lost a couple of them. She lost 3.
Wanna do again? Sorry. Julia, you want to do it with us? Julia, you hold Dylan.
Colin, how old are you?
4.5.
4.5. Man, that's as old as my grandfather. How old are you, man? A zillion? It's older than dinosaurs.